Hello friends, I am Vansh and I am back. So today we will discuss question number 1 and question number 2 answers. So this lesson we have discussed in previous video. So the first question number 1. Answer these questions in few words or a couple of sentences each. So this answer will be in few words. So let's start with the first one. How old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Okay, Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. So let's move on the second one. What did Margie write in a diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today, 17 May 2157, Tommy found a real book. These answers are direct answers. Okay. So third one. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Margie had not seen a book before. She was learning on that e-book, means on the computer. So the direct answer is no. Margie had never seen a book before. Fourth one. What things about the book did she find strange? Direct answer. This is just a little big answer, but study it. The things about the book that she found strange were that the pages of the books were yellow and crinkly. Uh, the things that she found was the books were yellow and crinkly. We have discussed this on the previous video, textbook second page. The word of the book was still. They did not move as the word moved on the computer screen. When they turned back to the previous page, it still had the same words on it that it had it when they first read it. Okay? Got it? Next, let's move on the next. Fifth one. What do you think a telebook is? Uh, a telebook. What is that? A telebook means. Oh, wait, I forgot. Okay. I think a telebook is displayed on a television screen, and the text of the telebook is similar to the book. Okay, a telebook means tele. Tele means TV. Okay, tele means like a TV. So I think a telebook is displayed on a television screen. So let's move on the sixth. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie's school was next to her bedroom. That we know because we discussed this in the previous video. So first answer is uh, Margie's school was next to her bedroom. Now second one. Did she have any classmates? No, she did not have any classmates. This is the direct answer. Why she did not have any classmates? Because the television screen, her teacher, like mechanical teacher, and she, they study like this. They don't have any classmates. So next, seventh one. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Okay. Margie and Tommy learned history, mathematics, and geography. So the direct answer will be Margie and Tommy learned geography, mathematics, and history. Let's move on the eighth. No, there is no eighth. Question number 2. Answer the following with the reference to the story. This answer will be reference to the story. Okay, the first one, I would throw it away. Okay, first one, I. Who says this word? I will throw it away. Just remember who said. If you didn't see that previous video of this chapter 1, I have explained in detail. If you want to see, link in the description. Who says this word? Answer is Tommy says this word. Okay, now the second one. What does it refers to? What does this it refers to? It refers to the telebook. Tommy said, I would not throw it away. What he does not, what he would not throw it away. That telebook, he said, book, they are waste. But telebook is not a waste because books we throw and telebook we can't. Next one, third. What is it being compared with by the speaker? See, what is it being compared by the speaker? The paper book is being compared with the telebook by the speaker. Okay, now the second one. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Now, first one. Who does they refer to? Sure, they had a teacher. What is this they refer to? The direct answer is answer. They refer to the student centuries ago. Okay, understood? Now, next, second one. What does regular mania? But it wasn't a regular teacher. This regular. What does regular mania? Okay, direct answer. Here, regular refers to the mechanical teacher then they had. Understood? Let's move on. What is it contrasted with? But it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. This it. What is it contrasted with? Okay? Answer. It is contrasted with a normal teacher of earlier time who was a living being. Okay? Understood? It is contrasted with a normal teacher of earlier time who was a living being. So it is contrasted with a teacher, okay, who was a living being. Okay, that's it for today. I'll be back in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.